Please keep up to date. Please keep your phone and electronics charged so you can make sure you can get a hold of anybody in the area or in this storm. Carson, any more?
Yeah, just to note something here, Alex. Again, this is sliding to the east. This storm has a history of producing damage. It has a confirmed tornado on it. It formed just to the southeast of Rusk and continues to track along U.S. Highway 84. And I mentioned something about the rain. Do not, I absolutely emphasize you, this is very important. Do not try and go outside and look at this storm. That is a big no-no in this situation, especially if you live in Mount Enterprise. First off, that's extremely dangerous. Second off, this is rain wrapped, so you're probably not going to be able to see it anyway. But what I am concerned with right now is the community of Mount Enterprise, and it does look like this is starting to track a little further off to the north and to the east. So again, we'll zoom into some of these neighborhoods here. U.S. Highway 259, you guys, if you live anywhere along the road there, you need to be in your storm shelters. Oak Flats, you're probably seeing a little bit of rain right now. Farm to Market Road 2496, County Road 3206, County Road 3206 as well, U.S. Highway 84. If you live just to the west of Mount Enterprise or even to the east now, you need to be in your storm shelter. If you're watching us from downtown Mount Enterprise, you need to be in your safe spot as well. And it's all because this is heading in your direction. You notice this hook right here? That is where that tornado is going to be occurring. And again, the crucial part of this storm is going to be in this area right here. Confirmed tornado somewhere in this area. It's radar indicated, and that continues to slide off to the north and to the east. So southern Rusk County, U.S. Highway 259, Farm to Market Road 3206, U.S. Highway 84. You guys are in the danger zone right now. Again, we need to be taking this very seriously because this is a confirmed tornado. It's probably just to the north of Sulphur Springs and will continue to track off to the north and to the east. And Alex, it looks like they are extending this tornado warning.
Yes, Panola, Rusk, Shelby County till 7:45 p.m. Confirmed at 6:54, confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles south of Minden or 17 miles south of Henderson, moving northeast at 45, so we're picking up a little bit of speed.
So northeast at 45, that could be good and bad, but again, northeast at 45 now. That was Rusk, that was Panola. Any other counties included?
Shelby.
Shelby County, okay. Yes. So Shelby County, that's going to be northern Shelby County, most of Panola County, and eastern Rusk County. Now, I mentioned Rusk County, probably a lot of people watching from Henderson. The good news is, if you live in Hickey or Henderson along U.S. Highway 259, you guys are outside of the polygon, so there is not an imminent tornado threat for you guys. Very important to note that. The issue is going to be southern Rusk County, where you see this couplet right here. That's where the greens are joining with the reds. And again, it's right in this area. So Mount Enterprise, you need to be in your safe spot right now. If you're still listening to me, if you haven't lost power, download that app. We will tell you when it's safe. Continue to stay hunkered down. This continues to slide off to the north and to the east. And as Alex mentioned, this is moving off to the northeast at 45 miles per hour. So it looks like Clayton, Long Branch, continuing to move along U.S. Highway 284. You guys are included in this polygon right here. Anywhere in this polygon, this tornado could be heading in your direction. These storms, they tend to wobble around a little bit, meaning they might move off to the north, they might move off to the south. But if you are in the red polygon, if you are getting that alert on your phone right now of a tornado warning, you need to be in your storm shelter, regardless if you're far to the south or far to the north, because again, this tornado could wobble just a little bit. We'll track this from the radar circulation up to about 45 miles per hour. Mount Enterprise, it's right on top of you. Beckville, 733. Carthage at 7:34. And again, Panola County, Carthage, you guys are now in the polygon. You guys are in this tornado warning as we speak. So you've got plenty of run time. You need to be getting in your safe spot right now. Don't try and test your luck. Don't try and wait this out. Don't try to go outside. Interior room right now. Obviously, we don't have a lot of basements. You need to be inside. Put that helmet on. Put those shoes on. Indoors, far away from those exterior walls, exterior windows, first floor, closet, pantry, bathtub, anywhere like that, because again, this is a very dangerous situation as we continue to track this off to the north and to the east. Now immediately downstream, we've been doing this all night, County Farm to Market Road 95, State Highway 315, County Road 3192, Lawsonville, the community of Lawsonville, County Road 165, County Road 164, State Highway 315. You guys are in the danger zone as well. If you're watching us from Clayton, Texas, you also need to be taking your storm precautions. Dotson, Bryce, they're in northern Bryce, Farm to Market Road 1971. Again, Lawsonville. You guys are probably within 3-4 miles of this storm. And again, it's this area right in here. Unfortunately, it's right over Mount Enterprise. We're probably seeing a little bit of damage there right now, and this continues to push off to the northeast at 45 miles per hour. So we recap, we zoom out. Red polygon, again, very important. That includes Panola, northwestern Shelby County, the rest of Rusk County right now, all under the threat of this potentially large and extremely dangerous tornado. So Clayton, Delray, Carthage, Shady Grove. Looks like we're getting another update from the National Weather Service.
It's just continuing on the same tornado warning. They've pulled the part of Nacogdoches County off.
Okay.
Still everything is the same. Still confirmed, still observed tornado. So it is still down, it is still moving.
Okay, so tornado remains down at this point. But what I can tell you is if you live in Nacogdoches County, you guys are safe. You guys are no longer in that warning, but you still need to remain weather aware for the remainder of the night. Again, it's this area right near Mount Enterprise. That is where we are seeing the circulation, and this is very, very pronounced. One of the most impressive circulations I've seen here in East Texas. So that just gives you kind of the magnitude of the situation. This is the real deal. Confirmed tornado is down. Anywhere in this polygon, you need to be taking your storm precautions right now, right over Mount Enterprise, as what the radar is indicating. So small establishments here in southwestern Panola County, Clayton, Delray, Dotson, Bryce, Shady Grove, Carthage, all in the polygon. Even if you live in Pine Hill, I know you guys are on the northern side of this polygon right here, but if this begins to track a little further off to the north, you guys are in the danger zone as well. Minden, Brackfield also. Minden, this is probably going to miss you just to the south, which is great news, but you do not want to take chances. Do not take chances on a day like today, because this is a life-threatening situation. And again, U.S. Highway 259, it's probably crossing or has already crossed U.S. Highway 259, State Highway 315 there it looks like. Yep, 315. And this is starting to slide in the direction of Farm to Market Road 95. We'll zoom out once again.